Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at how to use Vite with React. So first of all, what actually is Vite? Well, Vite is a module bundler, like Webpack for example is a module bundler, that takes all your modules and your code and combines them into JavaScript that the browser can actually use. Now, Vite behaves a bit different to normal bundlers like Webpack in the way that it uses hot module replacement. So if you make a change to something, then Vite doesn't replace everything, especially in the dev environment, but it only replaces the thing that you changed, which should make development a lot faster and easier. So let's get started implementing it. So now that we're in VS Code, we can quite easily set up our React app by just doing npm create Vite, which is basically our little pendant to create React app. Here we can set a name for a project, choose a framework or library we want to use. In this case, this is going to be React with TypeScript actually, because TypeScript support comes out of the box. You could of course use JavaScript if you wanted. I'm going to go with TypeScript though, just to show that it is working. And now we can just do cd tut. It is actually telling us what to do here. Npm install. In create React app, this would be done for you, but in Vite it goes so fast that this isn't even necessary. As you can see, it's done already in like 3 seconds. And now we can just do npm run dev. And this basically takes like 0.3 seconds to create us a little local environment. And now we can see our Vite app is already running. We have a little state called count here. And now if we do a little change to our app.tsx, because remember this is TypeScript, we can just do something like, okay, I want to remove this hello bit right here. And it instantly replaces this as soon as I hit save. This didn't even take a second. And as you can see, the site also didn't need to reload because hot module replacement allows us to remove just parts of the application or change parts of the application without the site needing to re-render. And therefore, most of the state will actually be maintained, or basically all of it actually. And this is really good because this speeds up development a lot. So I hope you'll use Vite in the future because I think this can really improve your development workflow. And yeah, tell me if you're going to use it, tell me what you're going to use it for, and tell me what you think of Vite because I think this is awesome. So I hope you're going to use it and I hope you're going to have a good day.